Hello and welcome to question 8 of the AQA GCSE higher tier third calculator paper for the 8300 series. This is 8300/3H. In question 8 we're asked, use your calculator to work out 19.42 squared minus the cube root of 1006 divided by 4.95. Write down your full calculator display. So this is really just a test of can you use your scientific calculator and can you remember your order of operations. Now the way my calculator works, and remember that all calculators work a little bit different, so you do need to get used to your calculator. Do not come into an exam with a borrowed calculator or a calculator that you've never really used before. Read the instructions that come with the calculator and make sure you know exactly how it works. Some calculators are programmed to automatically do the algebra in the right order. Not all calculators do. And often the order in which you press the buttons makes a big difference. In this case, this calculator, I can very easily just type in 19.42 squared minus 1006. And I have to use the inverse function and the cubed function to get the cube root. And then I divide by 4.95. And you'll notice it didn't divide the whole thing by 4.95 because it's algebraically programmed. 4.95. And that is the correct order. We do powers first, multiplication and division as a higher priority than addition and subtraction. So it's only the cube root of 1006 that's divided by 4.95. And before I press the equals button, I do like to do a quick mental check to make sure that my answer is sensible. This is nearly 20. 20 squared is 400 minus, well, this is nearly 1000. The cube root of 1000 is 10 divided by 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So we're looking at 400 minus 2, so 398. We're looking at something in the 390s would be sensible. And the answer I get is 375, which I think is close enough. So I'm happy with that. So the answer is 375. And I've got to type in the whole thing. So that's 0.1121. 65629 73690. I'm going to stop there. I think for most calculators they only really have an 8-digit display, so if you round it up to a total of 8 digits, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you round that 1 up to a 2, they would probably accept that. And if you just keep going, you keep going as long as your calculator will allow you to. In 8b, it says use approximations to check that your answer to part A is sensible. You must show your working. Well, that's good because we've just done that. Okay. So 19.42 squared is very nearly 20. So 20 squared. In this case we don't use a calculator because we're estimating to check that this is the right answer. Is 400. The cube root of 1006. Well, we're going to say the cube root of 1000. There's a little 3 over there to show that it's the cube root. Now that's equal to 10, because 10 times 10 times 10 is 1000. And 4.95 is very nearly 5. So 10 over 5 equals 2. So 400 minus 2 equals 398. So that does show that we are in the right ballpark. Okay, the exterior angle of a regular polygon is 45 degrees. Circle the name of the regular polygon. So the exterior angle of all polygons add up to 360 degrees. So the number of angles in this polygon is 360 divided by 45, which we can actually do in our heads, but I'm going to do it on a calculator anyway. 360 over 45, and that is 8. Now the word penta in pentagon, penta means 5, so this is a 5-sided shape. Hexa means 6, so this is a 6-sided shape. Octa means 8, so this is the correct answer. And deca means 10. I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.